Good morning, students. In the previous video tutorial, you have learned about how to install Python. Now, this video is regarding data types in Python. First, I will give you a brief introduction about the comments in Python, how we can write comments in Python. Python are all non-executable statements. Minded, these statements don't execute. Okay, like in the current slide, a is equal to 10 is a statement, but the lines which are starting from hash symbol, these are not statements. These are the comments. These helps in readability of the program. So these will start with the hash sign, and these will not execute. These are the single comments. Next, this is multiple. When our single line comment span to the multiple lines, they can be enclosed with the triple double quotes or triple single quotes. See, in the first example, like write a program to find the total marks scored by the student in the subjects. These are enclosed in the triple double quotes. And secondly, we have enclosed the statement in the triple single quotes. So both are allowed in Python. Like in this slides, we have shown that Python supports only single line comments, not multi-line. Multi-line doesn't means that students will say, ma'am, earlier you have said that the comments span over the multiple lines and these are enclosed in the triple double quotes and so on and so. Don't confuse with that. They are the comments, single line comments that span over the multiple lines. These are not multi-line comments. So they they are only single line comments. But the use of these single triple quotes and double triple quotes are not recommended because they internally occupy memory. Now coming to variable, the students who have learned C++ might know the meaning of variable. A variable is basically a placeholder that occupies some value. Okay, say a is equal to 10. Here variable is a. A variable means whose value varies, means subject to change. X can be 3 and at other time x is equal to 5, means x can be 5. So in every languages there are rules concerning how to write variables. In Python there are also rules, like in given slide I have given some rules that it can be a variable names in Python can be of any length. They can be in uppercase letters, lower case letter, digits, underscore characters, but a restriction is that variable name can contain digits, but the first character of the variable cannot be a digit. Okay, now coming to data types in Python. First I will make you understand what is a data type. Data type is means what is the type of the data that is contained in the variable. Means x is equal to 3. 3 is of what data type, means whether it is of integer data type, float data type or character data type. In every language there are two type of data types: built-in data types and user-defined data types. Built-in data types means that data types that are already existing in Python. They are provided by the language, but the data which user designed, that is a user-defined data type. They are created by the programmers. These are the built-in data types, which I will explain you one by one: none type, numeric type, sequences, sets and map. Now none type. None type represents an object that does not contain any value. This ऑब्जेक्ट में कोई भी वैल्यू नहीं होती, उसमें नन टाइप जाती है. इन जावा, लाइक इन जावा वी हैव यूज्ड, द स्टूडेंट्स हैव ऑफन यूज्ड द नल टाइप. सो इन पाइथन इट इज अ सब्स्टिट्यूट, मीन्स वी यूज नन data type in Java, otherwise it will take the garbage value. In Python program, maximum of only one none object is provided when the function is called. If no value is passed, then default value will be taken as none. So in Boolean expressions, none data type is represents false. Int data type. Second data type is int data type. Integers, you know, means any number without decimal point, whether it is positive number or it is a negative number, is a integer number. Like in the example in the slide, a is equal to 10. Int 10 is a integer number, means a is a variable that contains int data type, or and the value is 10. And likewise in B. So it can store integer values, whether it is for negative number or positive number. On the contrary, there is float data type, means with data type, with points, with decimal points, whether it is of negative number or positive number. Like in the example, x is equal to 22 by 0.55 e exponent 3, and here hash symbol is given. It is a comment. X is a variable, and the value on the right hand side is the value that will give you an idea whether it is of integer data type or float data type. Third data type is bool data type. Bool data type means boolean. Boolean contains only two values, whether it is true or false. True means 1 and false means 0, right? And these are some print statements which I will show you how to print a statement in Python. Like in the first statement, it will print Python as it is. In the second statement, it will print Python programming as it is. And in the third statement, it will print the given statement. In the second slide of print statement, we have printed integer number 25, and when we will print 2 multiplied by 2, it will give the print the answer, not 2 into 2. It will not take it as string. It will show you, it will print the product. And the third statement, it will print the addition of the 3 numbers. And in third slide of print statement, like hello, I am Python, it has concatenated the four words, hello, I am Python. And in next, it has concatenated integer and strings. And in the last statement, print statement, it has displayed the your integer number without any commas. So print statement is means it is used to print anything not as it is. If you have given operator in between two values, then it will print the result. So students, sufficient for today. Next I will teach you about the next data types in the